Yeah, so if we go like that, and then have a few old bricks or something down, line up between it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It needs to be on the top of the brick, doesn't it?
Yeah, I've got it on the
You've
top
got it,
there.
yeah, sorry, you've got it on there.
Yeah.
How are you there, bud?
Hang on, just
I'm spot on there.
I'm just going to stick another brick on top of that so I don't pull it. Stick 2 bricks on there. Just going to make it a bit slightly tighter.
Go on.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty good.
I would say that's pretty good.
Yeah. I'm gonna just do one brick straight to there to start with, so we can I'll lay the bricks to that then first long. That's amazing.
You're going to feel spoiled in there. Hot, proper sand. What's it like to lay with that sand?
Lovely. Lovely, mate.
Right, I'll turn that off. And,
Yeah, cheers, bud. Yeah, so we just need to get some of it so we can ascertain for the next course, isn't it, the angle.
yeah, 22.5 degrees. Uh-huh.
So we sort of
Yeah.
get a little bit of timber or something, so we've got
Yeah.
somewhere to...
I will sort something
Yeah, yeah, we'll probably with these bits, I think we will use the angle going up. I think they snap every time I do it. Sorry, mate. Keep. I know you want to get on with yours.
There you go. So that will give you your 2 angles. So you can put that
Yeah.
like
Off the nearest bump.
play around with it
Yeah, no problem.
until you've got
That's lovely, bud. Thank you.
yourself on there.
You straight on the camera set up. brick. I would have thought if we're going to do it, put to a recessed joint out, you know what I mean? So the brick a little bit out so you can see.
Yeah.
And that just follows the that's the
See the bricks then.
yeah, you see all the buttons there.
So, like the bucket handle kind of spreads it a bit more,
Yeah.
and the other one defines it.
That's it.
The first one.
Defines it.
Is that harder?
No, that's what. that looks
I'm just joking because
too modern. That one looks just too modern.
Yeah.
The bricks are like bananas.
It shows the bricks, doesn't it?
Show the
They're
brick.
all-
I'd definitely put the first one for me. Like,
Yeah.
it makes me pop. Like,
It does.
that makes it kind of look
Yeah.
smoothed out.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Because Dad and I have had spent years going like, choose the easiest option for us because the client Dad would do a little bit like this and go, right, how would you like a point?
Yeah.
And the bucket one, wang, 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 20 minutes, half an hour, we're out of here. The other one, an hour, like maybe an hour and a half. Right?
That's all right. No,
But I know, but it was just like it was.
Yeah.
It just reminded me of.
And you sitting there like winning versus right on.
Well, but here's the thing. Like I all along the bucket handle isn't the best.
No, I definitely wouldn't have chosen that one. This is the one I would have done. Definitely. Because it showed the bricks are
But
like
sometimes bucket handle when you've got engineering bricks,
Oh yeah.
it actually smooth. It makes it look really, really
Yeah.
neat and
Because every brick is absolutely spot on, perfect.
yeah. It adds something to it. And smooth. Looks lovely, mate, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm pleased with it. You all these roadies.
Yeah. The definition of handmade bricks, those are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Some of them are like
Lovely character, isn't it?
crazy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Well, I started, I was picking that up. Now you've got to lay them.
Yeah.
I think
yeah.
don't start picking and choosing.
Yeah.